Just looking like a wow. Just looking like a wow. Hey guys, this is Asam Shok with you once again. How are you? Hopefully you are passing a good day and you are learning English from SM Learning Point. By the way, I am talking about a most viral tune, and that is Just Looking Like a Wow. Just Looking Like a Wow is the most viral tune at this moment. And I hope that if I use this sound and if I make a video with this sound, obviously I will be able to earn money from this channel, and that's why I am making a video with this sound. By the way, the lady girl said that black color wow, orange wow, magenta color oh my god wow, and my beautiful color purple. Just looking like a wow. It's the most interesting and amazing thing at this moment, and I hope that you are using this sound and enjoying this sound, and you are passing a good day. By the way, there is nothing to tell about anything. I hope you are enjoying this sound, and you will comment my comment section, just looking like a wow. So take care and just looking like a wow.